Your body was never meant to be a battleground for other people's ideologies. Your pleasure was never meant to be policed by systems of control, and it is absolutely possible to rewire these neural pathways to decolonize your nervous system and to come home to a sexuality that genuinely belongs to you. So if you've ever felt the ghost of religious shame, the echo of cultural conditioning, or the weight of family expectations showing up uninvited in your bedroom, this one's for you. Let's get into it. If this is already resonating with you, know that you are far from alone. The journey from externally controlled sexuality to authentic embodiment is one that so many of us navigate, often without a roadmap. That's what we're creating together today. In this episode, we'll explore three main territories. First, we'll dive into how high control systems, especially religious, cultural, and familial institutions, specifically target the body and pleasure as sites of control. We'll unpack why sexuality is so often the battleground where power struggles play out.